Okay, you're recording. Hey, bird. Come here. Come here. Come here. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Come on. Come here.
I go right to your left.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna put you on America's Funniest Pets.
I'll bite your nose off, you might.
And we're gonna win $10,000. Bite my nose. Bite my hair. Can we do something for you to bite my nose? That doesn't work? You want a loogie?
Get the kitty up there and I start going.
I'll get the fat cat up here.
Oh, black kitty's down there.
Now, do they get along?
No, yeah.
Black kitty? Red bird? Hey, come here. What's her name?
Lexi's the bird.
They're gonna change the audio anyway, so it doesn't matter. What's her name?
No, Lexi's the bird and the black kitty's the cat.
The cat? She doesn't have a name?
Black kitty.
Black kitty.
Black kitty. Black kitty. You don't like the bird, do you?
That's
Black
what the
kitty?
vet said when I.
She doesn't like the bird. How about Fatso here? Does Fatso like the bird?
Fatso's disgusted with the whole situation.
Fatso.
He was the original.
This is the fattest cat you've ever seen in your life. Move the Budweiser and let's get a picture of this fat. This is the fattest cat you've ever seen in your entire life. This cat's got to weigh 25 pounds.
Yeah, it was 22 last time. She was
That was
weighing.
my last
She's
picture.
got a lot
That was the
of.
best picture I got.
I love you.
God, that was the last
pretty
picture I
bird.
got, but it was printed.
Now kiss the kitty. Kiss. That's what I want to see. Is kiss the kitty.
Did I kiss the kitty?
Kiss the kitty. Kiss the kitty. Kiss the kitty.
Put the kitty's here. Yeah, we're getting ready for the America's Home Funniest Pet now.
Oh, it's all right. Oh,
That bird
that's
likes
it. Eat my
you.
nose. Eat my nose. Well, what should we do now?
The fattest cat in the whole world. Well, I got the best picture on here.
What
That
about
was
this
the
guy? What about this guy?
poor black kitty.
Kiss the kitty.
Yeah, what's up there?
Oh my, this is wonderful. Oh, you want me? Kiss the kitty. Oh, shit. Fat cat.
Oh, here we go.
Fat cat.
Troublemaker. Troublemaker. And then she wonders why the bird bites her. She puts the cat in the iguana's cage.
Oh,
bird
yeah,
is
stick your tail right in the bird, right in the cat's face. Tail, bird tail.
Black kitty
Hey,
has
bird.
a star.
Oh,
Why that
yes, you're
bird?
wonderful.
How does it know whether it's a male or a female?
I guess it wasn't a female cat. Oh, yeah. Oh, you like the boogers?
The cat really does.
Mark, I want a copy of this tape.
Well, this is your tape. We're talking about. Hey, you're squirting water on me.
What?
You're squirting water on me.
Oh, God forbid.
What was that noise? I don't like it.
Oh, what are you doing? You're like a dog. You like to be petted. This is an incredible bird. What is this? Huh?
No, it's
Keto. Air conditioning.
epileptus.
Epileptic?
That's how I remember. It's epileptic.
Epilepsy.
It's epileptus. That's how I remember.
You have
it.
seizures.
What was that noise? I didn't like it.
It was in
Make it go away.
That's
told you.
videotape.
Make it go away.
Oh, let's get it on. Come on, let's
There's
get it on.
that air conditioning
Oh
vent.
my
God. We'll turn that fan
Let's get it
on.
on.
Next time it goes on, turn the fan off and see what happens. Oh man, go turn quick. That down. See if it goes away. You gotta do that.
Am I doing?
The slider on the left, you know, just the auto one on.
Make sure you got this. This is
Oh,
great.
it's coming.
Oh, darling.
No, you're supposed to wait till it starts squealing and then turn it off. Make sure that was what was making the noise. Now turn it off, quick, quick, make me see the noise goes away. Oh, that's bad. Okay, leave it off then.
Oh,
But it is.
are you out of the mood?
That's it.
No. Still in the mood.
And Black Kitty's there trying to get in.
Oh, it's in the picture too.
Get Black Kitty up there.
Black Kitty's up there.
Black Kitty. Come on, Black Kitty. Here, Blackie. Blackie.
Black Kitty, get up there.
Give
Come on.
Black Kitty a rabbit's foot.
Black Kitty. You like the bird?
The
Bird will
bird
kiss
likes
you too. Bird will kiss you. Oh yeah.
With the bird on like the back of Rascal's.
Oh, she
back.
keeps kissing me.
The bird was,
Mike, I'll split this with you. We're gonna make $10,000 here, easy.
No, you ain't make nothing.
Oh yeah.
you'd be surprised. People like to look
You'd be
at
surprised.
that.
When it grabs
You'd
your
be
tongue and
surprised
rips it out of your mouth, then we're gonna make the $10,000.
We got it.
No, you aren't screaming in pain yet. that's blood.
I can do that, Mike.
That Black Kitty, I guess.
Mike, these are great pictures. These are gonna go in.
Okay, that'll do. That's like the best
I
picture.
can't get
That'll
your arms
win
off.
$1,000.
Oh,
You're a good bird.
arms are full.
You're like a dog. You are. You're like a dog.
It's like a big dog.
I've never seen a bird like you in my life.
It'll bite me to death.
Come on.
Yeah, that one might get into one of his own videos or pets or whatever. And let Corinne play with the bird.
Oh, did you
Yeah.
bite my ear? Let her get my ear.
Bite the shit out of her, and then Corinne starts screaming.
Yeah, and I yell and scream and.
You're in the.
She's doing my ear. What? You did what?
Hannah,
You
here,
want
can
you
get
want
in?
to do what? You want to take me where? Love you.
It loves you.
Oh. Why are you doing that?
Ran out of earwax in the other one.
She ain't in my ear. She's just in the ear.
We now continue with tonight's self-searching movie, Postcards from the Edge, starring Meryl Streep.
Mike, I'm telling you, we're gonna send this in. Yes, darling, in a little while. But let's kiss some.
This is the timer how long I've been holding this camera up here, is it?
Let's kiss some.
Poor girl.
Oh,
Yeah.
kiss me.
You don't like me anymore.
Darling.
You put that about my $500.
Huh?
Oh,
Put that
yeah.
off at my $500.
Oh, Mike, this
It
is.
was like $500.
So you did. Credit union did.
Mike, this is a $10,000 winner.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
I'll hold the
that
camera
might
straight and make everybody think they're crooked. Ow. I can't handle this a whole lot longer.
I'll tell you what will make the money.
Yeah, when Lexi tears that tongue out of his mouth, we gotta run to the hospital and take pictures of it later on at the hospital.
What are you talking about, the $500?
But the credit union took from me, and I noticed I showed you.
Yeah, why are you talking to me about it like I did it?
I didn't, I'm not.
God, this man.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. You accused me of taking your $500.
Oh, get out of here. Oh, no. God, at least you got a new subject to yell about, though.
They can take whatever they want to of this.
Okay,
But
get
Mike, I
this.
want a copy of this. This is great.
Well, it ain't copy.
Get this.
Hey, get.
Oh, now we get a little cat along with the little pussy. Come on.
Because this is gonna win me the $500. Hey Romeo!
Hey, Romeo. Hey, Romeo. Romeo.
God.
Oh, this would be wonderful if I can do this here. Come on.
You can do it.
You know, remember, I do that with the dog. I think the dog liked the claws in his back.
You don't, no, it's okay.
No, Romeo, come here.
It'll do it. It did it for me.
Come here, Romeo.
It did
That's
it.
all she does all day, sit there and torment these animals.
Romeo. 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 Romeo.
I gotta back up here.
It did it for me.
Romeo. Romeo, it's wonderful.
Romeo's disgusted. Move the pepper from behind Romeo there.
That will win $5,000.
Nah, we've seen birds with.
Yeah, that's it. Get a picture for me. Romeo!
Bird.
Romeo!
What's the bird's name?
Lexi.
Lexi. Lexi.
Romeo!
Lexi.
Oh.
That was a $5,000 winner when the. Yeah, the problem with that year is
It's recording.
No, I don't think that's any problem at all whatsoever. The problem is that it is a fancy, good year that everyone likes it.
Are you gonna say a few words here?
Not me. I'm not gonna say anything. Take the bird down. Come on. Come on.
Put him near the kitty.
Just bird.
Oh, that's good.
Oh.
Oh, Lord. This is too much. That's real funny.
They're gonna make it funny.
Hopefully we get the lights back on here without too much of a delay. John, you brought a lot of lights back. You're all set to go.
Oh, they told him.
Warmed up and ready to be introduced. All of a sudden you have an indefinite
And you can close up by pressing the button on the top or turning it.
They get old
Talk to me.
The Sabres will get a new home. It'll be sports and entertainment complex bringing the best of Buffalo. It'll start the 96-97 season. It's not
Yeah, no, it was no problem. At least I could get for
Now you can go all the way around.
behind the Memorial Auditorium.
Oh, you found a way.
Just little things like open the door and Justin Striker, tiny little things like that.
Oh, God, that bird loves you.
Friends, buddies,
Let me know. I'm not be around all week.
buddies.
Oh.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
That's it.
Hello.
Hello.